I'll show you how you can pay with a Domino's gift card online. First off, you will have to go to this URL, which is dominos.co.in/gift-voucher/gift-card. Again, it's that. And then once you go there, you want to scroll down. And then you will need to activate your card. There's two methods you can do this. You can do it right now on the website here, or you can do an offline card activation through SMS. You just need to type in Tom Ack and then your 10-digit card number and then your 6-digit PIN to 56767. But if you want to do it on the website, you just have to enter in your card PIN here, your card number, your mobile number, and then click on this I'm not a robot to get an OTP so you can activate your card and start using the Domino gift card online. Don't bother with the AC statement here because this one is not important. Again, the one you want to focus on is to activate the gift card, which is on this section. So don't click on this, click on this. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.